Hey, how you doing? JJ here with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction. I'm going to do an application on this beautiful Mercedes 550L of Dallas Paint Corrections Lotus. This is an approximately 1 year spray coating. It's got a high solid content, and it is pretty much an immediate spray on and buff off. The bottle that it comes with, I'll show you in a moment, it has a misting type effect, and you need about 1 mist per 1 foot by 1 foot area. So an average door would be like 4 to 5 mists, but you just want to keep it in that 1 foot area at a time. Immediately buff off, go to your next section. And if you have any kind of high spots or anything that as you're working, you go back and you take a buff on it, you can take a damp microfiber towel. I suggest using distilled water to spray into the microfiber towel, and then just wipe the high spot away, and then use another microfiber that's dry to buff that off. So I hope that kind of leads you on a happy application. I am working in a roasting hot, this is the morning sun coming in. I did the back part of the vehicle to start as I was getting some sun in, but I've got my 5000K lights. I had to, now I have to again. And I'm just going to set you down here. I've actually done 3/4 of this, and with these vent areas, I'm considering that 1/4 is approximately 1 foot by 1 foot. I divided the hood in about half there and did my 1, 2, and 3 sections. So I'm going to set you down. I think I've got this set so you'll be able to see me pretty well. And so, bring you in closer here. I had some technical glitches in my filming today with my new Bluetooth microphone and stuff, so you just have to bear with me. And even my little key fob to start and stop the video was somehow not working when it was yesterday. But this is the Lotus. It is by Dallas Paint Correction. You can go to dpcdetailing.com and check out his products. He's got a lot of really innovative things going on with ceramic coatings that have a titanium base to them. I've been using them a long time. Great stuff. Shake well. You've got a lot of solids in this product, so you want to shake it up. Just heard with the AC fan kick on, so if I've got some crappy audio, that soon will change. So here's the section I'm going to be working on right here. I know that, with the camera the way it is, it's a little bit often to see, but you'll be able to see how I do this. So if you do a full pull, you get a really nice big mist, right? If you do kind of a half pull, because I'm getting around this vent, you can get a nice small mist pattern. I am using a glass polishing towel on this to not absorb the product into the towel. And all I'm doing is simply massaging the product in. I love Lotus. I've had it on the hood of the BMW Z4M for, about 4 or 5 months now. And absolutely ecstatic with the hydrophobic and hydrophilic properties. So see that I'm just getting this in. Is it a little more than a foot by foot space? Yeah, it probably is. Am I in hot, humid conditions that will, accelerate things? Yes, I am, but I've already gotten around most of this car. I'm not having any problems. You just want to take a low now microfiber, and you want to quickly, upon applying, and that's like immediately get all of it worked in the sweat towel. And I kind of go over the whole thing rather quickly, then I come back over and really put a nice buff to it. Flip to the dry side, turning this towel about every 2 sections and going to my next towel section. So that's really all there is to it. I'm going to take you in here. And now that this hood is completely coated, really nice shine, really nice depth, and easy to apply. Now I can see a little bit of a high spot right there as I come in. So you can go back over, hope you can catch that and get that. It's not like a ceramic coating where you see a high spot after a couple minutes and all of a sudden you're scrambling. I am using my new Astro Pneumatic 50 SL paint correction light, and as I'm applying this, I am going over and checking for high spots. Sometimes these areas where you've done one section and then you have another, that's a critical area to check out. Everything looks good. Maybe a little spot, maybe a little paint more. And it all looks good to me. All these tight little intricate areas here with the venting all look good. So that's about it. It is a pretty easy application. You shouldn't really have any problems with this at all. I do like the durability so far. It's on the hood of my Z4M, which is over a ceramic coating. It is doing wonderful, and couldn't be happier with it. So anyway, thanks for being with me. Take care. Until next time, enjoy making your vehicles beautiful. Hit that notification bell. Bing! Yes, I hit 1,000. Woo! I have 1,000 subscriptions. And, leave some comments, share, like, do all the things you need to do. And I'll see you on the next one.